Easinurus. Easinurus? That's a strange name for a resort. Oh, sunrise. Now I get it. Well, good morning from the Beach Palace Resort, Cancun, Mexico. This is what I woke up to this morning.
Watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke.
So see, my fellow lady travel agent said no, no, no for about 500 stores. And now finally, they're going in. To buy a bunch of stuff you don't need. Always like the arts. Just like the ruins. For your coffee cups. That would be a very cool collection. So I was just sitting here and I realized this looks kind of awkward. I'm looking at one of the family suites and look at the little robes that they supply for the kids as well. Not only that, you go over here, kids have their own beds and their own little slippers, along with floaties and snacks, and even their own hot tub. That part, I don't understand, but okay. Hey, buddy. Mm. 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 Oh, you're as gentle as a lamb, huh? See? I always make new best friends on the trip. Okay. I will try not to feed the alligators. Well, they say crocodiles, but I believe it's alligators here. Do not feed the crocodiles. If I'm feeding the crocodiles, it's me I'm feeding them, so I'll try and avoid that at all costs. I mean, do we really need to be told not to feed the crocodiles? Really? I would think that would be like the first thing on my mind. Oh, you're not a crocodile, but hello, buddy.
I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
Well, I can think of worse places to spend a Friday afternoon than walking around a resort in Mexico. And it really is, like I keep saying it, a very expansive resort. It's a long walk, but there are so many private areas to get off by themselves. I mean, everything is really well maintained. And every single day I'm out here, I see the maintenance staff are out grooming the flowers, the trees. There's hundreds of them all the time. At this resort, currently there are 4,600 employees working to make sure that the guests have a good time. Now, that's a huge amount of people. That's almost 1 for every 1.5 guests that are staying here. So that's pretty impressive. So if you're looking for a large pool, sunrise, you can see it continues way over there. All around. Not to be undone. Way over here as well. So there's always a place you can get around and find a place by yourself. Can you guys see this over my head? What the hell? What the heck is this? Like, I know around a camera lens you might say, oh, I can see that around a camera lens. Guys, I see that perfectly, the same as you. I just happened to look up at the sun at a bird flying over and I saw that. What the heck? I've never seen that before. Okay, like, you can clearly see that circle. Okay, maybe I'm just not used to living in the hot climates. But that's kind of freaking me out. That's so cool. So what do you think? Is that like the hole in the ozone that everyone keeps talking about it? What, it's here in Cancun, Mexico? No wonder I got a sunburn.
I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try.